Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Start with the powerful name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is always there to help us. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of grade 4. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. Okay students, as you know, we have started the revision of our English syllabus, unit number 1, and we have studied the poem Little Things. Okay, it was very interesting poem, and we came to know about lots of blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, so let's start our today's work without wasting the time. Okay students, let's have a look on the poetess of this poem, Julia A. Corney. Okay, she is the poetess of this poem, Little Things. She is an American educator and poet. This poem is a rhyme and highlights the importance of little things. It teaches us that little things are not useless. For example, tiny drops of water and grains of sand make big oceans and pleasant land. In the same way, our little deeds of kindness and small words of love can make our world a beautiful place to live in. We should not look down upon little things. Everything has its importance, no matter how little it may be. Okay, Julia A. Corney is trying to tell us that इस दुनिया में हर छोटी से छोटी चीज की इम्पोर्टेंस है. ठीक है, हमें नेकी के छोटे छोटे कामों को इग्नोर नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, बिकॉज दीज लिटिल थिंग्स एंड डीड्स ऑफ काइंडनेस मेक अवर लाइफ सो beautiful. Okay students, next have a look on these sentences that we use in our daily life. Thank you, I am grateful, you are a true friend, you are a blessing, you have been very helpful, you are great. Okay students, we should use these sentences in our daily life so that in order to say thank and in order to appreciate someone who helped us. Okay, and if we have a good friend is no doubt is a blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay, so we should appreciate him or her. Okay students, next your worksheet number is 4, which is the comprehension. Read the lesson carefully and answer the following questions. Who wrote this poem? Okay, ये poem किसने write की है? We have studied it. Okay, you have to write the name here. Next, how do little deeds of kindness make our life happy? नेकी के छोटे छोटे काम हमारी लाइफ को हैप्पी कैसे बना सकते हैं? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव स्टडीड इट इन द पोएम. ओके, हमने पोएम में पढ़ा नेकी के छोटे छोटे काम हमारी इस जमीन को जन्नत की तरह बनाते हैं, जैसा कि एक जन्नत ऊपर है. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई दीज लिटिल डीड्स ऑफ काइंडनेस are very important for us. Next question is, write 3 little things that poet mentioned in poem. ठीक है, पोइट ने इस पोएम में जो छोटी छोटी 3 चीजों के बारे में मेंशन किया गया है, आप उनको यहाँ राइट करोगे. ओके, वो क्या 3 थिंग्स थी? लिटिल डीड्स ऑफ काइंडनेस, लिटिल डीड्स ऑफ वो चीजें थी, लिटिल डीड्स ऑफ काइंडनेस, लिटिल डीड्स ऑफ लव एंड लिटिल ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर. ओके, दीज आर द लिटिल थिंग्स दैट द पोइट हैज मेंशनड इन द पोएम. Okay student, next we are going to watch a video, very interesting video about hard and soft sounds of C and G. Okay, let's watch with me.
S, K, K, J, J, G, G. Soft, soft. Hard, hard. This is the soft and hard letters C and G. The sounds K and G are usually followed by an A or an O or a U. And these are the hard sounding C and G. Here are some examples. Can, can. Coke, Coke. Cup, cup. Game, game. game. Goat, goat. Gum, gum. These are the soft letters S and J. These are usually followed by an E or an I or a Y. And these are the soft letters C and G. Ice, ice. Face, face. Pencil, pencil. Orange, orange. Sledge, bridge, giraffe, giraffe. Egypt, Egypt.
Okay, students, I hope you enjoyed the video. We have, revised the soft and hard sounds of C and G. Okay, now what you will do, you will write these words in their correct column. Okay, curly, gas, gum, center, citizen, gel, general, cave, comedy, giant, grow, and city. Okay, for example, the first word curly, in which C is giving the hard sound. Okay, so you will write in the hard sound of letter C. Gas, gas in G is giving the hard sound. You will write the G in the hard sound of letter G. Okay, then we will revise the rhyming words. We know the words that have the same ending sounds are known as rhyming words. Okay, flight, night, sigh, high, funny and sunny. Okay, so you will list two pairs of rhyming words from the poem you have read. Okay, आपने जो poem read की है उसमें से आप कोई से भी दो pair rhyming words की यहाँ write करोगे, and you will make more words rhyming with each given word and use any two pairs in sentences of your own. Gate, king and might. Okay, आप गेट के 3 राइमिंग वर्ड्स राइट करोगे, किंग के 3 राइमिंग वर्ड्स राइट करोगे एंड माइट के भी 3 राइमिंग वर्ड्स राइट करोगे. ओके, इट्स वेरी इजी क्लास. ओके, द लास्ट वर्क, योर वर्कशीट नंबर इज 6. यू विल revise these soft and hard sounds of C and G here. Okay, I remember that we have done this, okay, before the vacations. So these boxes will be filled and you will revise these sounds. Okay, students, stay blessed, stay healthy, remember me in your prayers, and Allah Hafiz.